Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhagat Gaud. In the previous video, we discussed what to do after installing the Blender. In this video, we will learn how to navigate Blender. Hold Shift and middle mouse button to pan the viewport. Hold the middle mouse and drag it to rotate the viewport. Use the scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Click left mouse and drag it to select anything. You can change the type of selection here. Just click and hold on it to get more options, and here choose whatever type of selection do you want. To move any object in Blender, first you have to select it, then go here, click on move. It will give you the access to move whichever direction you want. If you want to do it manually without this, you can press G. G means to grab anything. If you press G, then move your mouse, it will move your selected object. If you want to move it in X-axis, just press X and it will snap to X-axis only. If you press Y, it will only move in the Y-axis. If you press Z, it will move in the Z-axis. In Blender, if you want to cancel any operation, you can press right click. Whatever you do, if you press right click, it will just cancel the operation. In the same way, you can select rotation and you can rotate it in X-axis, Y-axis and the Z-axis. To go back, just press Ctrl Z to undo your recent steps. To scale any object, go to scale. If you want to scale it in Y-axis, select the Y-axis and drag it. While dragging, hold Ctrl to snap it perfectly. If you want to scale it overall, you can click inside this circle and drag it. If you want to scale only in the Y and X axis, in between here, between the X and Y axis, you can see a square shape. You can click on it and drag it, and it will only scale in the X and Y axis. And if you rotated it, and if you want to scale it in this direction, you have to change it from global to local axis. Here go to global and select local. Then your cursor will change according to the local object. Now select the Y axis and scale it. Now go and practice whatever I showed you now. In the next video, we will learn how to add materials and then render it. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.